Hello guys, today we discuss about how to create a tab layout, customized tab layout that include text plus image. So start the project. I have created a project in Android Studio. So I go to build.gradle to add dependency. I want to add dependency of material design. So I write here implementation com.google.android.material material 1.2.1. Select the project and our dependency added. Now go to XML and here I change the layout. First of all, remove text view and here I write linear layout and orientation vertical. Okay, now tab layout, okay, match action bar size, okay, and ID tab layout, and then background Android white, background is white, tab inline label true, okay, tab text color, that is I color primary, I give him color primary, and then tab indicator color, this is also primary, you can use as your demand. Tab selected text color also primary, color primary, okay, and then text appearance, that is @ style text appearance small, okay. Our tab layout is defined. Now view pager, then match and ID, okay. Now go to Java file and here we use tab layout, and view pager, okay. Then now initialize the ID, tab layout equal to find view by id r.id.tab layout, view pager find view by id r.id. view pager, okay. Now create array list, that is string array list equal to new array list, then array list dot add, first of all I add the tab of camera for example, another is image, okay. I created two tabs. So then tab layout dot set up with view pager and then view pager, then prepare view pager, we create a method of view pager preparation, then here view pager and then array list, okay. Now I create the method is created, class main adapter and extend fragment pager adapter, okay, and here we create array list, here fragment list, and array fragment array list equal to new array list. Then array list string, and then string array list equal to new array list. Okay, now we use int image list equal to I get 2 image from drawable. Here I use go to drawable, then new, then vector asset, then here I first use camera, here I use camera, and I choose the color of this one. Okay, finish. Then I use another, here I use image, and it is this image. Okay, next, and finish. Okay, now I use r.drawable.camera, and then r.drawable.image. Okay, now public void add fragment. Here is method fragment, then string s. Okay, fragment array list dot add fragment, and then string array list dot add s. Okay, then we create the method. Okay, and then constructor. Okay, constructor is created, and our methods are implemented. Now get item. Here I write fragment array list dot get position. Okay, and get count fragment array list dot size. Okay, and here we write in this class. Chart sequence get page title. Okay, and here we write context drawable, equal to context comport dot get drawable, get application context, comma image list, here position. Okay, then drawable dot set bound, and here we set 0 at top 0, then drawable dot get intrinsic width, and drawable dot get intrinsic height. Okay, now spanable string equal to new spanable string, and here we write plus string array list dot get position. Okay, then image span equal to image span new image span, and in image span we set drawable comma image span dot align baseline align bottom. Okay, then spanable string dot set span, and here image span, and then 0 and 1, and then span exclusive. Okay, then return span string. Okay, now go to prepare view pager. Here we write main adapter equal to new main adapter, and here get support fragment measure. Okay, then main fragment, we create a fragment. Here I use new fragment and then blank fragment. I write here name of blank fragment. Okay, blank fragment, then finish. So close all these things, clear, and then go to on create view, clear. Okay, now here we view equal to view, and here return view. Okay, now go to XML. Here we use relative layout, and here we use text view, and there is no text of text view, and here we use center in parent true, and then ID text view, and then size 32 sp. Okay, our text view is wrap, and then wrap. Okay, and we use style bold. Okay, now go to blank fragment Java file, and here I write here I write text view TV equal to find view by ID, view dot find view by ID or dot ID dot text view, and then TV dot set text, and then get argument dot get string, and here title. Okay, now go to main activity, and then we write here blank fragment equal to new blank fragment. Okay, then for loop I int I equal to 0, I is less than array list dot size, and I plus plus. Okay, now bundle equal to new bundle, then bundle dot put string, and here title is unique ID, and then here is value array list dot get I. Okay, now blank fragment dot put argument or set argument, and here argument is bundle. Okay, then main adapter dot add fragment, and here we use blank fragment, and then arraylist dot get I. Okay, now blank fragment equal to new blank fragment. Then here outer fall to view pager dot set adapter, and then main adapter. Okay, now test, check whether it is working or not. I installing the application. Our application is installed, so this is our application, and now check this is working. Okay, thanks for watching, keep supporting, and sorry for late tutorial. Thank you.